Good afternoon, girls. We have been discussing the national income. So last time we discussed about the various forms of circular flow of income. So it was also very much needed in determining the national income. So today again we will be discussing about some of the important aggregates of the national income or forms of national income which will be used in the calculation of national income accounting. So in national income accounting we will be discussing about various methods of national income calculation. Prior to the start of national income accounting or national income calculation or estimation of national income, we need to know important concepts, important aggregates, forms of national income and its related variables. So first of all, let us just recapitulate what is national income. National income is the value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country in an accounting year, plus net factor income from abroad. So technically we have to represent the national income by NNPFC, that is net national product at factor cost. These are the technical terms. So net national product at factor cost, and this is equivalent to net domestic product at factor cost plus NFIA, then GDP FC minus depreciation plus NFIA, and this GDP FC is equivalent to GDP MP minus net indirect taxes, and remaining are the same. So these are very much complicated terms of the national income accounting. We'll be discussing those various aggregates one by one, like NNP, NDP, GDP. We discussed before in some previous classes. I have told you some 8 different names of the national income, 8 different aggregates of the national income. Today we'll be discussing all those 8 aggregates of the national income one by one. But prior to that, we need to know the very important terms, net factor income from abroad. So if we do not know this net factor income from abroad, so we will not be able to calculate the national income. So just let us see what is net factor income from abroad. So now let us see what is net factor income from abroad. So net factor income from abroad is the difference between the income received from abroad by the normal resident of a country for the factor services and the income paid for the factor services rendered by the non-residents within the domestic boundary of a country. I repeat, net factor income from abroad is the difference between the factor income earned by the Indians in the foreign country and the income earned by the foreigners in India. Habadi India ki mapanda India masa mayamamna thabak suraga natraga muhi ki capital na talakpa paisa do sale do adugi amount ma and atopa mana akogi India da foreigners singi mun capital oro moi masana wage gi form do oro tanma paisa hadi foreigner India tanma paisa duga India na foreigner tanma paisa duga and dugi difference, so we call it net factor income from abroad. This is very much needed when we calculate the national income. And 2 more terms we have here. to discuss about, that is nothing but FC and MP. FC means factor cost and MP means market price. Ado koi na poti mamal se ani thora lai amana kaina kanda factory cost hai bama, factory the piba mamal, that is the nothing but the cost of production, net cost of production. Aduga market price hargana, market price ka factor cost ke khena risi factory dek labor mamal. The market price laga the market yon ba puthor ba pot ha buddi, it will be inclusive of the indirect taxes, various indirect taxes. Tongan tongan tax, local tax lairi, then sell tax kana tongan ba tax GST ka mayam. Adu umba tax mayam do hapsal ka anda akoina factor cost to kedoba market price all. Aduna market price is greater than the factor cost. Adu sigi mayam se koina matang when we discuss about the various aggregates of national income, we will be using an FIA. Aduga the factor cost habama, then market price habama, then two more terms we will be discussing. We will be discussing about the net indirect tax. This is represented by NIT, net indirect tax. Net indirect tax. Net indirect tax. Net indirect tax it is difference between indirect tax. Indirect tax ka then subsidies. The difference between indirect tax and subsidies, we call it net indirect taxes. Other indirect taxes, say the production company or the selling company, they are paying various taxes to the government, which will be in turn come up from the people, we the buyer, we the customer. And indirect tax mayamama government the piri at the time of government at the time of selling. Pocha ko na labor matam da khodi di lokhot kido tax ba do company na di piba oiba paisa na khodi company na pibi badumba government pibi indirect tax me amama aduga atopa subsidies na kaino hakanda government na hariba company to the production company to the kado government na piba financial assistance. So the difference between the indirect taxes and subsidies, we call it the net indirect taxes. And one more term we will be using, that is depreciation. Depreciation. Depreciation से कहना है कि wearing and tearing charges, wearing and tearing, wearing and tearing charges. So machines, the capitals we are using goes wear and tear. I think when the machine can the capital can the because mayam si tek tharakpa mandharakpa kai tharakpa adu mayam lay adu ki mayam tu ki repairing to ki charge we call it depreciation. So in various aggregates ta koina sigi mayam si different term mayam si will be discussing. So we will be discussing one by one all those aggregates. So first of all we will discuss about the GDP-MP, in long form gross domestic product at market prices. So what is GDP-MP? GDP-MP, that is gross domestic product and market prices, is the market value of the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year by all production units, inclusive of the net indirect taxes and depreciation. Aduna, I repeat the word, say market value of final goods and services within the domestic territory of a country. Adi GDP the different yang do see all the goods and services uthoi bodo ado khoi territory da khoi lam da puthok chabo agado ko GDP domestic means domestic territory hari bachde da thabak sugudoriba factor income phangadoriba kambu do, it may be Indians or it may be the foreigners who are working here. Adana GDP the labor is the productive activity, but this GDP will comprise the productive activities of all the Indians working in India and the foreigners working in India. Mona puthropodo will just consider as GDP. Adana adugi value da ko namu yang kado isi MP hadi market prices have a yauramnina kaino have a kanda market sagi factory da natraga sagi any production in the puthokba potu market price haramnina akoina yengdori si plus toksalaga doji magi factory cost da plus toksalaga doji koina net indirect tax mama akoina tinjalani sai mamang ina hagi budu net indirect tax to say indirect tax minus say subsidies adu ki potuma tinjalani market price la mon hengalani and at the same time akogi poto pothok bada changma masak maktudi raw material natraga factory service to directly factors into adu makti nataba plus akoina ma hapchang adu su kaina ha kanda depreciation hapchang ngem depreciation ha gadi kaina kanda akoina wearing and tearing charges hadi repairing to gumba parts in gumba capital ki machinery ki tum mayam tum maksu akoi mamal pa hapchang lagin ram de koina expenditure ona akoi ki cost of production yaw ro pot oira banina adi market e yorutri da kon loi tin hengra magi value to hol ka duribnina aduna total da koina GDP gadi gross domestic product adu malay the next point next aggregate see we'll just see GNP market price gross national product at market prices. The difference between the gross domestic product market prices and the GNP is nothing but here ko GDP ga GNP kana duri se amana dini aduga amana p ni d na mean duri na domestic boundary manuda India oro atoba mi oro moina thabak suba puthoko mayam do account dogani aduga the national have wahim yoromena in case of the gross national product only Indian sing khaktana toba thabak to maybe inside the territory of India or it may be outside the territory of India India masana puthok jabadu adu nakuna kari ko gada kanda gross national product. So what is gross national product? Gross national product is defined as the market value of the final goods and service produced in the domestic territory of a country by the normal residents during an accounting year, say exclusive of depreciation and inclusive of the net factor income. Sorry, I just repeat. Say gross domestic, say gross national product at market price is defined as the market value of all the final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country by the normal residents during an accounting year, including the net factor income from abroad. Aduna ako India masa katana sugudaba thabok obanina India na mapanda suba adugi value du yawgani aduga ngasagi domestic tu yawgiba foreigner na India da suraga phangba magi factor income do adu minus togani adu nekona net factor income from abroad on harisi. So we have the two terms GDP MP and the GNP MP. Then we'll go to next the NDP MP. So number third point we will be discussing about the NDP MP, that is net domestic product at market prices. Net domestic product going to do gross domestic product happening. So let us see net domestic product MP, net domestic NDP MP is defined as the market value of the final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country by its normal residents and non-residents, or by all during an accounting year and less of depreciation. Aduna domestic the whatever the goods and service produced, whether it may be produced by the Indians or it may be produced by the non-Indians in India, all those will be accounted. Other canary is GDP ga NDP canary is amana G havani amana N havani. Gross again net lapakanda we have to see less of depreciation, less of GDP dana inclusive ne duga sigi NDP dana net domestic product na kadoba less of depreciation khai do bani. Other anyway apni yang do se gross again net la ka hetardi gross de khona net la ka hetarabadi kadoba net si the plus depreciation tension laga we get gross net phangaraga na gross tagi depreciation khai do kado aduna net phangya tar we have to deduct this depreciation from gross aduna ni ne khuna pamisi hana gross level bidigi less of depreciation I say will get net. Then next point we'll see about the net national product at market prices. What is net national product and market prices? Let us see. NNPMP is defined as the market value of all the final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country by the normal residents during an accounting year, including, say, the net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad is lani didagi and on bakanda. Adi domestic digi national on bakanda di kadawa by the domestic digi national on bakanda di kadawa ngasagi magi area of production do the foreign country yaw rabse but by the Indians. Adi India da leba foreigners in suba thap di khai do gani aduna we have to see ngasagi net factor income from abroad consider to isima. Then ngasagi Mamang the net have almost net mean of the barabar always exclusive, not less of depreciation doing depreciation kaido can the gross tagi upon net fungani. So we have done these two more terms, that is NDPMP and NNPMP. We have 4 more terms, so let us just proceed. Next point we will be discussing about gross domestic product at factor cost GDPFC. So GDPFC is defined as the sum of the net value added by all the producers in the domestic territory of a country, inclusive of depreciation and exclusive of, say, net indirect taxes in an accounting year. Shida lady see gross harmony barabar we will see inclusive of depreciation. Depreciation barabar yawani in case of gross. One more thing, exclusive of indirect tax. Indirect tax kaidokrani. Manandi kainai kanda it is the factory cost. The market the market you know mamang the factory the piba mamando. It's nothing but some of the factory incomes. Next point we'll see net domestic product at factor cost NDPFC. So it is defined as net domestic product at factor cost is defined as the total factor income earned by the factors of production. Earned by the factors of production. It is also known as net domestic income. It is calculated by adding up of domestic factor income. Domestic factor income do tinsinaraga lore ka aduga sida koina depreciation yaudi. Depreciation yaudi di kaina kanda asana net have a pot of oigramna. Aduga muk keno yaudi. Net indirect tax it is factor cost. Then we'll proceed to GNPFC. So next point is GNPFC, gross national product at factor cost. Gross national product at factor cost is defined as sum of the gross value of goods and services at factor cost by the normal residents of a country during a year and net factor income from abroad. So, sida kuna national haramna net factor income si yokshan laani. Okay. Likewise, let us see the net national product at factor cost. Net national product at factor cost is defined as the total factor income earned by the factors of production owned by the normal residents without the domestic boundary. Normal resident India masana India manungda and mapanda moina factor so production provide to budugi moina puthok budugi magi factor income earn to budu that will be calculated as net national product at factor cost. Normally, commonly it is also known as the national income. When national income had a khangna say net national product at factor cost. This is the smallest aggregate of the national income. Okay, and next we will be discussing about the relationship between these aggregates, how to find say a national income if any of the aggregate is given. Okay, let us see next. Then let us see the national income calculation partly. Other national income ki technical name si net national product at factor cost. adana national income potho hai matam da apon any of the fact adu se koi aggregate adi NDP piram be GDP piram be GDP MP piram be GNP MP piram be samana sigi aggregate achaw chaw aggregate mayam ji piram bagan national income potho hai ba kan da kari plus minus to ga have do that we are going to discuss. So NNPF sidagi kai gumba NN asine ko potho this much if NDPFC je piram da ga di upon NNPFC puthona bagi tamagda NFIAC darkar le that will also be given. Other domestic product on a pyramid and the net factor income from abroad plus of Sinarkanda sigi national level policy domestic national on guy tardi NFIA plus the then again sigi nesigi pyramid GDPFC in a pyramid October factor of a theatre Netagi GDP pyramid GDP net lakpa anana bakon depreciation the kale depreciation will also be given at the depreciation pyramid GDP dagi depreciation khaidoga di NDP phang okay and sigi NFIA dung yaw risimaram di kaino haba kanda sidi akogi D yaw bagin adi D siga NFIA plus tor kanda N net se phangadori ne ka then instead of giving FC factor cost pyramid then MP on a pyramid if MP is given instead of FC pyramid mahota MP on a pyramid GDP FC pyramid mahota GDP MP on a pyramid upon yengdo se factor cost का market price का दी अन्य चीज़ difference है factor cost का market price का जी factor market price में चाहो इतना factor cost फंगे है ताड़ी market price देखिए कोई ना minus होती है NIT minus तो नहीं net indirect tax minus तो बता अगर net indirect tax MP pyramid FC पर तो कदम नहीं ना बराबर net indirect tax pyramid MP देखिए net indirect tax खाई तो प्रकार अंदर GDP FC जो फंगा तो रही नहीं तो depreciation जी हाँ पिकी मरम कहीं नो है बका अंदर मसाई ग्रोस है पिरम बगी ने तागे तर डिप्रेशन देखा ले बनी ना देश NFIA मुख्य और इसने कहीं नो मसाई GDP दो अलग ही अपना कि domestic से लगी national all of NFIA सुन देखा ले and one more thing if GDP MP होना पिरम तो GNP MP होना पिरम बगड़ी अपना calculation national income तो मतलब कोई देखा लेगे तो रिसी NP होना पिरम हमने ना सी national जो होना पिरम हमने ना अकोन NFIAC दरकार ले रोयल net factor income from abroad दरकार ले रोय अकोई दरकार ले दूसरे GNP MP net indirect tax and depreciation ने सीना national income समाना national income कोना पुथोक बसी net factor income add factor cost पुथोक बसी समाना GNP पिरा मावा market price पिरा मावा net indirect tax पिरा मावा then depreciation पिरा मावा so अदुई ताकनी national income से कोना पुथोक पर यागनी है बको net indirect tax पिरा मददना instead of net indirect tax piram da na ko na sida indirect tax ha maga indirect tax ha maga adigi atopa mana subsidy ha maga ngasai mamang da have done and subsidies ani se piram ba adu itadi ani se indirect tax da subsidy se minus torga ke do ko na net indirect tax dum phage so calculation is not very difficult अपने यंगे तो रिधि कहीं नो है बकांदा calculation is not that much very difficult अपने यंगे तो relationship मयाम से अधिक करी देगी करी plus तो का करी दे करी minus तो का करी फंगे है वो तो identities मयाम से so we need to know very minutely okay so अपना next time the will be discussing about the calculation of national income by various method अपने method हम labor income method है बम expenditure method है बम ने value added method है बम नमगी feature मयाम हम सुले ये दुना direct calculation लागते हैं तो ना feature method चिंतु की feature करा will be discussing next time अदुना today I will not be giving you home assignments rather I hope you will rewrite whatever I have given and PG ma'am जो rewrite तो रुके शानरो you just read it again and if you have any doubt you just ask me personally through my mobile number 7005126435 my Zoom number that is very much there in the group also okay thank you very much